Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON G7. In this video I'll show you how safe this car is. FOTON G7 features Level 2 ADAS, Advanced Driving Assistance Systems, with front collision warning system, lane keeping assist, and more. While it feels solid, it currently holds an unrated status by Euro NCAP for the 2025-2026 models. Historically, it's 3 to 4 star vehicle, not a 5-star leader. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.